Ujana, welcome. Then Bijoy. Bijoy.
Hi.
Bijoy.
Yeah. Hello.
Bijoy. Bijoy.
Hello.
Hello, Bijoy. Hello. Welcome, Dikshan. Bijoy. Elijah. I am not getting Bijoy. Hello, Bijoy. Hello, Bijoy.
Yes, sir.
Join class.
Okay, sir.
Have you gone through the labor cost variances? Ujana?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Dikshan? Dikshan? Dikshan?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone through labor cost variances?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Then do another sum today. Do you see this sum? You take you have done for material, now you do for labor. Then this is say for product A. You do only product A. This is standard, labor standard, and this is actual. This is standard and this is actual. Then what is labor cost variance? You do labor cost variance. You open your khata. Labor cost variance equal to actual labor cost minus standard labor cost. ALC minus SLC. What is actual labor cost? What is actual labor cost? AH into AR minus SH into SR. AH into AR minus SH into SR. What is AH into AR? 92 into 1.75. Is it not? Ujana?
92 into 1.75.
Actual hour 92 hour and AR age 92 AR 1.75 minus 80 into 2. Is it not? 92
Yes,
into
sir.
1.75 minus 80 into 2. That is What is the figure? What is the figure?
161 minus 160.
Equal to 1. Is it not? Equal to 1. Actual cost is more or less?
Actual cost is more.
That is, it's why good or bad?
It's bad.
Then you should write within bracket A, capital A. That means adverse. Okay? Okay. Then you do labor rate variance equal to labor rate variance equal to AH into AR minus SR. Actual hour into actual rate minus standard rate. AH into within bracket AR minus SR. What is AH? 92 into within bracket AR 1.75
1.75
minus 2
2.0.
minus 2. You should not regard the minus or plus. Therefore, 92 into 0.25. Is it not? What is the figure?
23.
23. Actual rate is...
Sir, can you repeat again?
No, I am not repeating because I have already told the formula. You have to write in your way. You should repeat it. What should be the labor rate variance? You repeat it from last class. You repeat, Lisa. Please say something. Ujana,
Sir.
you repeat the formula.
H into AR minus SR.
Lisa, write it down. AH into AR minus SR. Then AH equal to, you say Ujana.
Sir, A is equal to 92 into
Into
1.75.
within bracket 1.75 minus
2.
2. Lisa, do you get the point? Lisa? Lisa? Oh, he is not responding. Then 92 into AR 1.75 minus 2. 1.75 minus 2, you should not regard the minus figure. Therefore, what is the figure? 0.25. Is it not? Ujana?
Sir.
0.25 into 92. That is, what is the figure?
23.
23. AR is less or AR is less than standard rate. Then it is good or bad?
Sir, good.
Good. Therefore, what you should write?
Favorable F.
F. You should write F capital. Do you understand, Bijoy?
Yes, sir.
Dikshan?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should not regard minus or plus figure. Then you write Lisa. Lisa is not responding. Then labor efficiency variance. You write labor efficiency variance. labor efficiency variance equal to, Ujana, you say what I have told yesterday.
SR into AH minus SH.
Yes, you write down SR into within bracket AH minus ASH. Then what is SR? What is SR here?
Sir, 2.
2. 2 into AR. What is AR?
AH.
What is AR?
92.
92 minus SH. What is SH?
80.
80. Then 2 into 92 minus 80. That is 12 into 2. 2 into 12. That is, what is the figure?
24.
24. Age is more than standard ASH. Good or bad?
Bad.
Bad. That what you should write here within
A.
bracket? A. Is it not? Clear? Then then you add 24A plus 23F. Then what is result? A is more, therefore A 1A. Is it not? Bijoy?
Yes, sir.
24A plus 23A means 1A. It coincides, okay? Therefore, it is complete, okay? Labor cost variance equal to labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. You do the sum for product B. Lisa is there or not? I don't know. Labor cost variance for product B, you do it. You do labor cost variance equal to actual labor cost minus standard labor cost. ALC minus SLC. ALC minus SLC. Equal to ALC minus SLC equal to actual labor cost minus standard labor cost equal to AH into AR minus SH into SR. AH 14 into 2.60. 14 into 2.60. Then what is the figure? What is the figure? Bijoy? Ujana?
36.4.
36.4. You should write 36.40. Rupees 36 and 40 paisa. Is it not? Minus SH into SR. 16 into 3. How much?
44.80.
Huh?
44.80.
40. Oh, 16 into 2.80. That is equal to, what is the figure?
44 into 80.
16 into 2.8. 44.8. Then 44.8 minus 36.8. What is the figure? 4. What is the figure?
8.8. 0.4.
Actual cost is less or more? Actual cost is less or more? Lisa,
Actual cost is less.
less. It is good or bad?
Good.
Then what you should write?
F.
F. 8.40 F. Clear to everybody? Clear? Diction?
Yes, sir.
Then you write labor rate variance. Labor rate variance equal to actual age into AR minus SR. What is age? 14 into AR minus SR. AR 2.60 minus SR 2.80. Then what is the figure?
0.2.
Therefore 14 into 0.2. Is it not? 0.20. Then what is the figure? Total labor rate variance. Ujana?
2.8.
2.80. You should write because it is rupees per sir. 2.80. 2.80. Then your actual cost is less. It is favorable or adverse? It is favorable or adverse?
Favorable.
Sir, favorable.
Therefore, you should write F. Then you write labor efficiency variance.
0.6 F.
Labor efficiency variance equal to SR. You write down the formula. SR into H minus SH. Then what is SR? SR is Ujana 2.80
2.80.
into H 14 minus 16. That is 2 into 2.80. That is what the figure?
Favorable.
5.60 favorable. You add 5.60 favorable plus 2.80. What is the figure? 8.4. Clear? Therefore, labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance equal to labor cost variance. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, it confirms. Where is Lisa? I don't get Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Have you performed the whole sum?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Lisa, you are to memorize the formula. I make you understand and you have to understand it. Then say,
Sir, can we use calculator while doing this
huh?
sum?
Huh? কে বলছো?
Sir, can we use
Who are
use
saying?
calculators?
Who are saying? Who are you saying? Bijoy.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I am to do, I let me do. You should not tell me. I am not sending you.
Sir, can we
I am
use
not.
calculators?
No, I will not circulate it. You write it. You write it down. This sum. Just this
No,
portion.
sir. Sir,
Oh,
can we
Bijoy.
use
Oh,
Sir, can we use
Bijoy.
calculators while doing the sum.
You make use calculator. You may use calculator, Bijoy. Bijoy,
Okay, sir.
you write down this whole sum, this problem only. This problem only. You write down in your copybook. Lisa,
Yes, sir.
you write down the problem only. Then you have to submit the solution on Wednesday. Okay? In Google Classroom. Diction,
This question, sir.
this question.
Okay.
You write down the question. And here you write labor, then you write standard. Bijoy,
It's a standard.
you should write standard, okay? The first line is for standard. Okay? Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Sir, instead of labor, we have to write
The
standard,
second
right?
labor, second labor. The first labor is intact. The second column labor, instead of labor, you should write standard. Okay? Bijoy, Lisa, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You do it, and then you have to write very nice way, and you have to upload in Google Classroom. Dikshan,
Yes, sir.
have you sent the internal one as assignment?
Today's trainer.
Today is the last day. You have to send in Google Classroom.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And you take Google Classroom from Bijoy or Lisa. It is given in your group also. Now, this you have to submit on Wednesday. Everybody. Bijoy,
Sir, we will submit by Wednesday.
we have no class on Wednesday. You upload it in Google Classroom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you inform Bijoy Jahir also. And
Okay,
send the sum to Jahir. Okay.
only labor part or material also?
Oh, whole part. The whole
Okay, sir.
part. I am telling you the whole part. Whole sum. Product A, product B, material variances and labor variances. Okay. After writing, you tell me that whether you have completed or not. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
All? All have done
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
And you are to complete product A, then product B. Okay? Material variances and labor variances in fine way. You have to communicate me. You have to submit in Google Classroom. Diction, you get Google Classroom code from Vijay. Vijay, you pass Google Classroom code to Vijay.
Same code.
Same code. Google Classroom code. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.